If you're new here, welcome, welcome. And if you've been supporting me from day one, you know how we do it, you know, sending you love, hug, kisses, like, you know, all the good things. I'm sending it to you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know how we do it here. It's about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and, you know, vlogging. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've really missed you guys. I miss, you know, talking to you guys, like, you know, gisting with you guys. I have missed all of those. I'm sorry about that. It's just because my phone storage has been the one limiting me. But now I got a camera, but this is my first time filming with my camera. So you guys, tell me if you like the new setup, but I'm not sure this is good yet. But anyways, I'm still, you know, getting used to it. So today's video, it's all about, you know by the title. Okay, guys, you know my recent last Kurt Geiger bag video that I did, the unboxing. Ever since then, I have fell in love so much with Kurt Geiger. Like, have been all around there. I bought one sandal. I think I bought about 2 sandals from them, like 2 sandals. Then luckily for me, right, I was just like, you know, searching for something really cute from them, and I subscribed to T.K.maxx newsletter. So I got this email from T.K.maxx, like, you know what, if you live in the UK, you know more about T.K.maxx, but I think in the US they call them T.J.maxx, but here in the UK it's called T.K.maxx. So I got this really nice, cute Kurt Geiger bag from them, and funny enough, you should know that T.K.maxx is about discounted prices, like discounted items, like luxury that comes with small price. So I have just been, you know, searching for something about Kurt Geiger that I really want to get for myself, and I was so lucky, you know, lucky girl. I got this email and it was like, grab it now before everything is gone. You know how they used to send you those newsletter email. Now you'd be like, I know, I've been searching for this thing for a really long time, and I got this beautiful Kurt Geiger bag at a really nice bargain. Even me, I was like, my deal cheap girl, like this bag is affordable. Yeah, this is it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, let me be honest with you guys. This bag was, I said I was going to unbox this bag with you guys, but baby girl cannot wait. I had a wedding last weekend. I'm gonna attach a video of the bag where I slid the bag to the wedding, and I couldn't wait because, you know what, the bag just complemented my outfit, like it complemented my dress. And I said, you know what, let me just carry this bag. I'll come back and explain to you guys that Emma Binu, I have unboxed the bag behind you, but we shall pretend like, you know, the way we used to do it, like I'm about to unbox it. So let's just get right into it. So this was how I got the bag. I actually ordered it online. I'm gonna tell you the price and the actual price. So it came like this, right? Look it already, and this is the invoice that came with it, and the bag came like this. Yeah, you can see the way I already just packed it back inside here, but let me just bring it out. So I just tried to put the bag inside so you guys don't know that I'm unboxing this for it, but I've already unboxed the bag before. So here is the beautiful bag. Hey, you guys, I got a black, you know, Jack Kezinti bag in mini. Yeah, it's a mini bag, it's not too big. So basically this bag is retail for £189, and I got it in a really good price for £79.99. Like, let's just say approximately £80 from £189. So I kind of saved myself £109. You get, like who does that? T.K.maxx. So this is the beautiful bag. Take a look at this bag. Wow. Ooh, wow. Just anyway, it came in black though, because I think I needed a black bag. I don't really have, you know, I told you, from remember my AliExpress Jeep bags, I'm not really a bag person, but I think I'm starting to love bags small. But my kind of bag has to be short bag, like small bag, not those big bracket bag, you know, now just the baby girl. So anyways, long story short, this bag came in the Jack Kelsen tin, like, what am I saying? Hold on, 1 minute. Oh god, it's called the black Union Kensington bag. So let's just, let me review it and let's start. So first and foremost, this bag is mini. It's not big like the previous one that I unboxed. This is the mini size, and it is leather. It's not what is the other one called? Metallic bag. No, it's not the metallic leather. This is pure leather. Let's go ahead and open it. We're gonna start from the inside, like inside the bag. So as usual, you know all of this packaging, but it came with this dust bag. Is it big? Let's see. Not too big. This dust bag is not too big, but I'm sure it will fit. It will fit in the bag. Yeah. So it came with this, and you can just, when you put your bag, you can just tie it so that it prevents your bag from all the dust and all the dirt of the world. So we're gonna start with the inside. It has 2 space, right? Oh, okay. It came with this one too, for you to know that it is original. It came with this label. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Can you guys see? Oh, I hear you. I'm not sure, it's too tiny anyways. So it came with that. It came with this stamp. They stamped it with the Kurt Geiger London. Okay, I am a leather. It says I am a leather in case you don't know. And it has this other space. I think this is, they are both same size if you ask me, like same size. And it doesn't have any, okay, yeah, it has this hidden wallet, like a little small space that you can put like your card or your, I don't know, whatever thing that is card that you can put inside here. And this place is kind of wide. You can put your wallet, big or small wallet, your anything. I think it's spacious a little bit. Okay, and it has this and gold handle, but something is funny about this handle. I don't get it. Looks like, you know, when they say something is conjoined together. Well, I don't know. Can you guys see this thing? Oh yeah, me. Well, they shall put the handle like, anyway, it's gold. So the handle also it has this leather part, like when this just sits on your shoulder, so you don't have to feel the pain when you have so much load in your back and you start feeling pain. No. So it has this one, and it has this 1 second. It has this 2, you know, this, I don't know what it is called, but I know it has this 2 pin that you just clip in and your bag is totally safe and closed. Can you hear that? Can you hear? So, and then we have this Eagle logo that is Kurt Geiger Eagle logo. You guys see? Which is so beautiful. It has this gold logo. And there's something about this bag pattern. It's kind of cute. See? It has this vertical, straight, horizontal, cube, rectangle, lines, which is so beautiful. And at this part of the handle, it has this Kurt Geiger logo that is being stamped on it, and also at the back of the bag. It's just a kind of beautiful bag, and I like the fact that you can adjust this bag. It should be able, I think if I let me fix it and then you guys will see. Yeah, perfect. Then you can cross this over your body if you want to do the street style, you know, like, you know. So it's so pretty. And as well, you can just cross it over your, you know, take it over your shoulder like that, like that. So this is beautiful. So let's talk about this. Says the height of this bag is 20 centimeter, like 20 centimeters. So for you to know that it's not really a big bag, I think I should compare this bag with my previous Kurt Geiger, so you guys can see the difference, that this is not too big. And also it says the width, like how wide is the bag, the width of this bag is 26 centimeter. Are you guys following me with the measurement? So we know that we are in this together. And so the width says it is 26 centimeter, and the deep part, like how deep is the bag, like the deep length, like how deep is this bag, is 8 centimeter, like 8 centimeters. So same thing with the deep part. So I think it has this measurement of the strap as well. The handle, like handle height is 8 centimeters as well. So that's just all about the measurements and pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my other Kurt Geiger bag, so we just compare and contrast. So we'll see. One sec. Oh, here we go. This is the previous one that I unboxed. This is the Kurt Geiger metallic rainbow bag. This is in XXL. This is very big, and compare this to the mini. See, can you guys see that this bag is big and this is small? So compare and contrast together. Compare and contrast. So I think I'm gonna collect one more of this bag, right? Because I saw this really small cute one. It's in metallic leather as well, but I kind of like it. I think it's retail for about £60 or so. I can't remember, but it's kind of so cute, and I think I really want to, you know, collect that one too. So guys, let me know if you're looking into buying any of this Kurt Geiger bag, or you're looking into buying anything from Kurt Geiger. They have such a pretty things, so you guys just check them out, and they're very lush, like luxury, something you should invest in, right? Anyways guys, so pretty much it about today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope you love it, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. But you know how we do it now. You know how we used to say all of this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until then, I'm gonna see you in my next video.